First, verify that the Apple TV device is powered on. Confirm the Apple TV is connected to a stable internet connection. Use the Apple TV remote to navigate to the Settings menu. The Settings menu is located on the Apple TV home screen. Within Settings, find and select the Users and Accounts option. Users and Accounts allows for managing account settings on the device. Navigate to Users and Accounts in System Preferences to manage Apple ID settings. Select your Apple ID from the list of users to access account details. If not already signed in, choose the Sign In or iCloud option. Enter your Apple ID email and password, ensuring accuracy before proceeding. After entering your Apple ID and password, a verification code is sent by Apple. The 6-digit verification code is sent to a trusted device or via SMS. The trusted device can be an iPhone, iPad, or Mac associated with your Apple ID. Enter the code displayed on your trusted device into the Apple TV using the remote. Successful entry of the code verifies and signs in your Apple TV.